This video is brought to you by Cybersalt's Joomla training cohort. Learn to do Joomla the way Cybersalt does Joomla. And mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Get a free site audit at mysites.guru. Immediately after creating a new Joomla 4 test migration area with MigrateMe 4, you can log into that test area using the login to the admin button. But if you come back to this part of your Joomla 3 site and you want to find your migration area again, that button's not there. How can you find it? It's super easy. Go to the front page of your Joomla 3 live site, and then at the end of the URL, put mm4, that's the subfolder that your test migration was created in, and then go /administrator, and then it will take you to the login screen for your test area in mm4, and then you will be able to access and keep working. And also, if you don't go put administrator on the end, you can preview what your Joomla 4 test migration looks like. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.